how to connect Aliexpress to Shopify. Before we begin, if you want to get the best deal for Shopify, make sure you check out the pinned comment. Now we can begin. Use the search bar to search for Aliexpress, and you want to click on Aliexpress Dropshipping Center. Click on this option, and we just want to install this application. So click on install, and it's going to take us to the verification page or the confirmation page. Click on install again, and it's gonna look a little something like this, AliDrop. Now here, what category of products are you looking for? You can choose whichever one you want to sell. And what kind of supplier are you looking for? We can just leave this as Aliexpress products and click on continue here. Once you click on continue, it's going to ask you to pay for a subscription, and once you pay for the subscription, you will be able to use your account, your Aliexpress account on Shopify, and that's how you connect them. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.